Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are starting our geography lesson number 2 Inside Our Earth. Dear children, Earth is our homeland and it is the dynamic planet. It constantly undergoes changes inside and outside. Inside changes we can't feel. What is going on inside the earth we also didn't know. We are also unaware about that changes, but the changes are going on frequently. Changes inside the earth, many changes are frequently going on inside the earth. These are the types of the changes which I am showing to you here. Changes of outside, you can see there are the many changes which are going on outside of the earth also. Means when the rain came at that time, that big mountains convert into the smaller the small rocks, and rocks convert into the soil. These many changes are frequently going on. Changes which here also we can see the changes outside. Changes means when the summer season, during the summer season, the icebergs melt and the rivers flows on from the mountain. That types of the changes also we seen in the last year, how that glaciers are melt and how the ice convert into the water. This we already seen in the last year. Have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the earth? What is inside the earth? Have you any question? कि क्यों होता है? That changes, why these changes are frequently going on. So this we will see in that chapter. Interior of the earth. What is interior of the earth? क्या है earth के अंदर, क्या है, क्या राज छुपा है? Okay, that we will going to see. Okay, interior of the earth. Crust. What is the mean crust? Earth is just like an onion. The earth is made up of the several concentric layers. Means onion is made up of some of the layers. We can separate that layer. But in case of the earth, we can only see which layers are different from the each other. Okay. So that uppermost layer of the earth, uppermost layer over the earth surface is called a crust. जिस पे हम रहते हैं, जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं अपर मोस्ट सरफेस पे अर्थ के, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्रस्ट. इट इज़ द थिनिएस्ट लेयर ऑफ ऑल द लेयर्स एंड दैट लेयर इज सबसे छोटी, सबसे थीन लेयर है और किसी दैट ग्रीन पोर्शन, दैट इज द थीन लेयर, दैट इज द क्रस्ट. ओके, it is about 35 kilometers. Means when we go inside the earth, this crust is 35 kilometers from the surface level into the underside of the earth. Okay, then on the continental masses and only 5 kilometers on the oceanic floor. We can see here continental mass. If we went from the surface of the earth to inside, so it is 35 kilometers. But if we talk about the sea level, from the sea level, so it is 5 kilometers is only. It means 30 kilometers near about the sea is there. What is sea water is there, 30 kilometers, and inside that 5 kilometers, that crust level we generally found. The main mineral constituent of the continental mass of silica and aluminium, that is the silica. And where we found that silica? We found that silica under the crust. Under the crust we found the silica. This is the crust. See that crust level, and crust level, in the crust level we found the silica. That is the silica and that is the alumina. So where we found the alumina? The oceanic crust mainly consists of the silica and the magnesium. Before that we can see here कि in the crust or in the oceanic land there we found the silica and alumina, and CSI from the silica and Al from the alumina together form a word that we call the Sial. That together we call the Sial. Okay. Then if we move forward, there is also we found the magnesium on the crust. Okay. So that magnesium and silica, that both also we call the SiMa. That both means Si from the silica and Ma from the magnesium. That both we call the SiMa. Just beneath the crust is the mantle which extend up to the depth of the 29 kilometer below the crust. We can see in that diagram just beneath the crust के नीचे, crust we seen in the green line. So that crust के नीचे what we found, which layer we found? Just beneath the crust is the mantle. Which crust के नीचे क्या हुआ है? Mantle layer we found. That yellow color is showing us the mantle layer which extend up to a depth of 2900 kilometer below the crust. Means crust का part जो है that is the 35 kilometer from the bottom, from the surface of the earth to inside. Okay, and after that 35 kilometer there is the mantle is started. Okay, what is that? Mantle layer is started, and that mantle layer is near about 29 kilometer inside the earth. Got it? That is the core. See the innermost layer. Abhi inside the mantle what is it there? There is the core. Core ये सबसे अंदर का पार्ट है अर्थ का. And the innermost layer is the core with a radius of about 3500 kilometer, and it's having its own radius about the 3500 kilometers. It is mainly made up of the nickel and iron and is called the Nephe. ये जो mainly है that core is made up with the nickel and iron and it's called the Nephe. Got it, dear children? And the central core has very high temperature and pressure. There is the very high temperature and pressure we found in the core. Got it? So here is the introductory part of our lesson is completed. So what we found inside the earth? We found inside the earth there is the core part. Innermost part is the core. After core we found the mantle layer, and after the mantle layer there is the crust layer. I think you all has draw the diagram which I have given you yesterday. I given you yesterday one diagram and that you have to draw in your copy. I think if you draw a diagram properly na, you will get this lesson easily. So once again we are going to do the revision part. See, the lesson name is Inside Our Earth. Okay, so here we are going to see what we found inside our earth. Our earth is made up of different kinds of the layers, same like an onion. Onion also having a different layer, same earth having a different layer, and the three main layer of the earth are सबसे ऊपर वाला जिसपे हम रहते हैं that is crust. It is 35 kilometer inside the earth. After the crust mantle is there, that is the 2900 kilometer inside the earth. and after the mantle we found innermost layer, that is the core, and core is 3500 kilometer. In its surface is its radius is 3500 kilometer. Got it? That is the most important three layers. You just keep in mind which are they. Got it? And how, from where we got the silica, aluminium, then magnesium. So we get all these things from the crust. Okay, that is clear, children. Then we are going to see, do you know the deepest mine in the world is the South Africa. It is about the 4 kilometer deep. Search for oil. Engineers have dig a hole about the 6 kilometer deep. Okay, one day now, after completing that lesson, we will see only the do you know and otherwise that blue box. Okay, so here I am finishing that introductory part. Tomorrow we will see the next part of the same lesson, rocks and minerals. Goodbye.